When you're camping in the woods, eating way more than you should, it helps your belly feel super good. It rescues Grandpa scarfing all the ham while Grandma steals one of his yams. This dude painted like a cheetah, why is he slapping it with a slice of pizza? Your uncle who's a little quirky after devouring pounds of turkey. The boss man eating shrimp by the tray. Oh no, there goes his bad toupee. It knows exactly where you live. It can catch you right in the fridge. It loves it when you scratch its back. It turns balloons to scrap. It enjoys a gentle slap. A schmoopy doopy diddly dab.
At the first sign of stomach trouble, fix it fast with Pepto.
Peptocopter.
Whenever heartburn strikes, get fast relief with Tums. It's time to love food back.
Tums. When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea, try new Pepto liquid caps for fast relief and ultra coating. Nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset Get powerful relief with new Pepto Bismol liquid caps.
Statistically, the world is losing color. Everywhere you look. Gray, beige, greige. But who wants a greige world when we could have this? Honey yellow. Periwinkle. Teal aqua. Indigold. Put another way, things stay the same when the same is where you stay. But at Delta, in every one of the hundreds of destinations we fly to, simply opening your eyes can open your world.
Oh! Well, hello. Can I help you, sir?
I'm just about to begin my journey back.
Really? And where's that to?
Back to my mom and dad.
What do you say I'd be your co-pilot?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh, hold on. Sorry, my name's Jennifer, but my friends call me Jen.
My name's Cooper, but you can call me Coop. Is it possible for me to refuel some carrot juice?
Carrot juice, huh?
I want to be a pilot when I grow up, and good eyesight is very important.
Smart. Could we have 2 carrot juices, please?
Certainly, ma'am.
Thank you. Cooper, so you want to fly planes when you grow up, huh?
Yeah, but this is the best plane, Jen, so I only want to fly this plane. Oh, Dad! Do you want to be my co-pilot?
Hi there.
Oh, hello.
This thing has so many games and so many movies, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Hi, madam. Would you like to go back to your seat now?
Oh, no, I'm good. Oh, wait, do you think their mom's okay?
Oh, she's doing just fine.
When I'm a pilot, you'll be able to fly around the world even faster.
Well, that's a shame. It's so nice up here.
The luggage was gone for like a week. The kid just like...
We're laughing a little.
I know. Yeah.
Hi, I'm looking for the shower.
There are no showers here, ma'am.
Well, aren't I gonna look really silly dressed like this in the lounge?
There's no lounge here, ma'am, but what we do have hot towels and a bag of peanuts.
You have showers. Emirates planes have showers and lounges.
This isn't an Emirates plane, ma'am.
No.
There's no shower?
No.
And you have no lounge? Why are you laughing like that?
You're killing me.
It was such a nightmare. I was on a plane and it was nothing like this.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you so much. Hey, is there someone that we can talk to about maybe flying this around a little bit longer before we land? It's like an hour.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Here you are. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Okay, go, go, go! Yeah, I found them. They are the 864.
Welcome on board on your flight is in 501. We are fully ready for departure and enjoy your flight. Mr. Smith Jr., can you look outside, please? There's a surprise for you.
Brussels Airlines. We go the extra smile.
Since 1996, we've been on a quest to make air travel more affordable. Today, our goal remains the same, but with a new destination: space. Introducing WestJet X. The X means space. We believe space travel shouldn't just be for astronauts and billionaires. That's why our flights start at just $500,000. One way. Our state-of-the-art spacecraft is designed for your comfort and safety, and not to look like a all with the real WestJet service you know and love. Experience the beauty of the cosmos. Mars, Saturn, Pluto, Saturn 7, and so much more. WestJet X is an important endeavor for humankind because space. So if you're looking for a trip that's totally out of this world, don't settle for an online bookstore or an electronic car company to get you there. WestJet. We do space now. #blessed.
Welcome aboard, folks. Just go ahead and take any empty seat that you see.
I hope it's not contagious. So I do have it.
When your mom wakes up, can you tell her about me?
Lunch?
Yes, please.
That'll be $23.
Your ad says it's free.
Yeah, it is for our economy ultimate passengers who paid extra.
I'll just have water.
Okay, sure. Cash or card?
For water? Well, at AT&T, when we offer you our best iPhone deals, we guarantee it. Even on the new iPhone 15 Pro, made with titanium. Not that you don't keep your word, it's just that you haven't.
What?
Only AT&T gives everyone our best deals on any iPhone with any popular plan. Guaranteed. Get iPhone 15 Pro on us.
Hey there. Looking for a vacation? Then you should check out FlyCheaper.com. Snacks served. We have no hidden fees, so you get way better deals on flights and hotels. Juice, ma'am? Want to save more money? Just check out our awesome combo packages. FlyCheaper.com. Now, you have a choice. Do high travel prices make you sick? Try FlyCheaper.com. Want to book travel but think it costs too much? Well then, you haven't visited FlyCheaper.com. Cars, flights, and hotels, book them together and voila, the price goes down. If you book somewhere else, Don't blame me if something bad happens. Sorry. FlyCheaper.com. Now you have a choice.
This is Wes, our director. And
nice to meet you. Thanks for coming in today. So you can come up here.
A little nervous.
That's okay. So you're Canadian, you're in LA.
So you want me to...
Right to camera, right down the pipe of the camera, deliver your line.
All right.
Thanks, man. Action.
Ooh la la. Or should I say, LA, LA.
Lean into the horse riding.
I wasn't looking for love, but I think I'm falling for LA.
Gallop out, gallop out.
I have a feeling we're not in Canada anymore.
I got a feeling we're not in Canada anymore.
I have a feeling we're not in Canada anymore.
Flirt.
You have me a rooftop pool.
I got the need for moderate speed.
What a view.
What a view. I can see my true self in here.
Get your arms into it. Growl at the camera.
Yeah.
Scuttle behind the fern.
You had me a rooftop pool.
Wipe the tear.
You had me a rooftop pool.
I'm gonna throw you one last line that you can read right off the page.
I can't believe I just wanted...
Free trip to LA, courtesy of WestJet and LA Tourism.
What if I told you that that is actually true? You got the part.
What?
Yeah, you just won an all-inclusive trip to LA with WestJet and LA Tourism.
No way! You're going to LA.
Is this real?
Yeah, real. Let's go.
Going to LA.
Great job, man. Great job.
Yahoo! I have a feeling we're not in Canada anymore. Nope, definitely not.
I feel the need for moderate speed.
You had me a rooftop pool.